Yeah. That's Tito Nino Edwards' brother. You know?
Happy birthday!
Let's go. Yeah. What's up, man?
Aba, happy birthday!
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Yung nalunod naman.
Hindi pa yung order ko yung James.
Yes, si ano, Gretchen Barreto namin. Gretchen Barreto. Hi, Tis. Happy birthday. Let's go. Yep. Today.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, man.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Congrats.
Kasama mo lagi si... When is she living? Is she...
Let's go.
Kami maglalakad ah.
Cheers. Welcome to Sydney. Happy birthday to me. Let's go. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, sir. Di ba, may gising na. The man from Manila. Let's go.
Happy birthday!
Yes, sir. You know, let's go. Let's go.
Bulong-bulong mo naman yung birthday boy!
You know. Yes, sir. Let's go. Okay.
I'll do the same pose. Pilipino tayo talaga mga tayo.
Oh, si Kuya Eric tsaka si Ate Cecil. Eric,
Ay, salamat.
second wife ko.
Hello po. Oy, tita.
Erika, come.
Si Ella.
Sa party.
Party.
Ito yung anak ko, panganay. Ito. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Let's go, let's go.